Ngayong good noon to all of you. Good noon.
Good nun.
I was instructed to have a brief 2-minute introductory statement that I have nothing to say. Running for election. I'm an electionist, the current majority leader. Good afternoon to all. Good morning to all. Entertain some questions.
Sir, introduction muna, sir.
I'm done.
Sir.
I'm
Okay,
done.
question po, mga kapatid. Sir,
Yes.
good morning. Sir, just to clarify, you're running as an independent or party
No,
to party?
I'm now under the banner of the Alyansa ng Bagong Pilipino, under the banner of the President.
So, sir, if, just for clarification, kasi walang na-file na coalition documents sa COMELEC. So, bali, paano po yun? You filed your COC with a CONA coming from what party, sir?
Partido Federal.
Partido Federal.
Ba't ka malungkot? Pansin nyo ba mga Lods? Diba? Parang nakayuko lang siya. Abangan mo, Tolentino. Abangan mo. Siguro parang ramdam na niya eh. Diba? Ramdam na niya nung inendorso siya at inannounce siya na kabilang sa Marcos, diba, slate. Ramdam siguro niya yung yung backlash ng mga tao eh. Pero ganun talaga, 'di ba? Basta Tolentino, panindigan mo ang desisyon mo. Pero pasensya na, hindi mo makukuha ang mga boto namin.